In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename objects in Blender quickly and efficiently. Clear names make your scene easier to manage, especially as it grows. Let's start with the fastest way to rename a single object. With the object selected in the 3D viewport, press F2. You'll get a simple rename prompt. Type the new name and press Enter to confirm. This is ideal when you're modeling and want to rename on the fly without breaking your flow. If you prefer working from the outliner, locate your object in the list and double-click its name. The text becomes editable right there, so you can type a new name and hit enter. This is great for quickly checking and renaming multiple items as you scan your scene hierarchy. You can also rename from the properties editor. Select the object, go to the object properties and click the name field at the top. Double-clicking highlights the text so you can immediately type a replacement. This method is handy when you're already adjusting other object settings in that panel. If you like using menus, you can do the very same single item rename by opening the edit menu and choosing rename active item, which is the same as pressing F2. It's a consistent, easy to remember shortcut no matter where you are. Now, when you need to rename many objects at once, select them all first, either in the viewport or in the outliner, then press Ctrl plus F2 to open batch rename. This powerful tool lets you make systematic changes in one go. Use find and replace to correct typos or change a term across all selected names, like swapping cube for panel. Add prefix or add suffix to label categories, versions, or sides, such as adding Ella or Job VO2. You can also apply numbering with control over the starting number and padding, so names like panel 001 line up nicely and sort predictably. Take a moment to review the preview inside the batch rename dialog. It shows exactly how each name will update before you commit. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the changes. If you prefer navigating by menus, you can access the same batch tool from Edit and choose Batch Rename, which corresponds to Ctrl plus F2. Whether you use shortcuts or menus, the results are identical. With these options, F2 for quick single renames, double-clicking in the outliner or properties, and Ctrl plus F2 for robust batch renaming, you can keep your scene clean, searchable, and consistent. A little attention to names now will save you a lot of time later as your project grows.